Hello and welcome to this session. In this session, we will see how we can download and install the Postman. Postman is a software which can be used to test the web APIs. So just go to your web browser and search for download Postman and just click on this link. It will take you to the download Postman page. Just click on this button to download the Postman. Once download is finished, you will see the Postman exe into your downloads folder. To install the Postman, double click on this exe and the Postman will get installed. After installation, it will ask you to sign up, but you may skip that part and start using Postman without signing up. Thanks for watching.